Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission in the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Channel, if you guys have a BMW E46, guys, this one will be the 3 Series from year 1998 to year 2006. And you have a code such as P0340. This is related to the camshaft position sensor on the intake side. We'll show you guys how to fix that, how to diagnose it, and what we'll be using today. In the meantime, guys, we'll have more than 200 videos on this car. Why? Because our mission, guys, our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please, guys, in return, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and leave a comment below. Let us know what you think and if the video was helpful. So let's start on the problem now. So let me show you now, guys. We're going to go ahead, start the car, and I'll show you what the problem is here. Okay, let me find the key quick. Okay, I left the key in the back, so I need somebody to pass it to me. Okay, right here, and I'll go ahead and start the car. Okay, you can see, guys, engine light is on. Engine light is on. Okay, right there. No matter what I do, it stays on. I'll turn the engine off, turn the ignition on. Turn the ignition on. And this is the computer that we'll be using, guys. You can find this thing listed in the description of the video below. Please check it out where we get it from. You can read codes from the engine computer, ABS sensor, airbag sensors, computers. You can do traction control, diagnostics, so many things. Let me just show you what it supports quick. Now we'll select engine, we'll access the computer, and we're going to give it a little bit of time to load. Again, everything that you need, guys, replacement parts and all that stuff will be listed in the description of the video below for that repair. We started doing that because many of you asked us, guys, if we can do that, so you don't have to waste time, okay, looking for different websites and things like that and where to buy the parts from. So it's loading now. It's going to take just a couple of seconds. Usually it's like 20 seconds, okay, to establish communication here. We have one code found. We're going to click enter. Now we'll click read codes, guys. Okay, right here, read codes, enter, stored codes. It's pending, and we're going to select code P0340. That's the one we have, guys. P0340 camshaft. Okay, let me just focus here quick. Camshaft position sensor A, circuit bank 1. Okay, or single sensor. So this is sensor A, means that it's on the camshaft on the intake side. Why? Because the car first needs to get fuel and air, that's why it's side A, and then it exits through the exhaust, which is sensor B. So this is on the intake side. I'll show you guys what needs to be done now. Let's turn the car off and we'll get out and show you how to get to it. So let me show you what we have here now. We removed the intake box and I'll explain why in just a second. Now looking at the engine, guys, okay, on this side right here, this is your intake manifold. The exhaust manifold is on this side. Now I removed that cover already so I can show you where things are. You have 2 caps and 2 bolts. Now that camshaft position sensor for the intake camshaft, okay, it's located behind the Vanus solenoid. Okay, so okay, that thing right here, that black thing, okay, that's your sensor right here. You will need to remove your Vanus solenoid in order to remove the sensor. This one, you just take it off, okay, with a, I think it was a 36mm wrench. Press down on the spring here, pull it out, okay, and then take the Vanus off and you'll be able to get to the sensor, okay, and remove it. And you can kind of see it, okay, through here. If I go, okay, this is your sensor, guys, right there. We have a video how to test them as well. Now we will show you guys, we'll explain what needs to be done to replace it. If you want to see the complete video from start to finish, we will have it on the channel, so please check it out. And today's video will be, we'll replace it with a new one and see if it fixes that code, so you know whether you need now or one or not. We removed the air filter box, the whole assembly here, so we can get to the wiring harness. Okay, looking this way, coming down, okay, this wire right here. Okay, this is for the camshaft position sensor all the way down there. So you press on the spring and you pull it out, guys. Okay, this is the wire. You feed it through the intake manifold there. It comes in the back. You disconnect it from there and you just pull it out. It comes out. And we'll go ahead, replace ours, and see if that will take care of our problem now. So we replaced ours now. What I'll do, guys, I'll go ahead and show you what we're going to do now. Turn the ignition on. Okay, like that. Now we're going to go ahead, get the computer. We need to wait just a couple seconds. It's reconnecting because the ignition was off, so it needed to adjust all that. But it takes a little bit of time to read the code again, to make sure that we have communication, guys, with the car computer. Same code, back. Click erase code right here. Enter. Yes. Erase, done. We'll turn it off. Turn it back on. Let's start the car. It fired really easy now after we replaced the sensor. Okay, and the car sounds really good, so definitely took care of our problem. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.